Now, we will introduce assembly at the factory. Firstly, lift the support rod onto the platform. Align the connecting hole of support rod with that of chassis and connect them with shaft. Connect the other support rod in the same way. Lift the boom cylinder onto the platform. Align the connecting hole of boom cylinder with that of chassis and connect them with shaft. Connect the other boom cylinder in the same way. Lift boom. Align the connecting hole of boom with that of chassis. Connect boom and chassis with shaft. Connect boom cylinder and boom with shaft. Connect the other boom cylinder in the same way. Lift the triangle GP. Align the connecting hole of triangle GP with that of boom. Connect triangle GP and boom with shaft. Align the connecting hole of triangle GP with that of support rod. Connect triangle GP and support rod with shaft. Lift the master body onto the hole of master pivot and the connecting hole of triangle GP are aligned. Protection methods are very important for lifting heavy components. Make sure that sling is strong enough to lift the load. No person should be allowed to near the load. Lift the mast by lifting two ends of the mast. Connect mast body and triangle GP with shaft. Mount one end of the two master cylinders on triangle GP. Connect the other end of the two master cylinders to the mast with shaft. The above processes generally conclude the machine assembly at the factory. Before the machine is delivered from the factory, there are various packing methods. The chassis, boom, and middle mast are shipped as the whole, and the Kelly bar is unpacked for shipping, while the other components are packed for shipping in the video. Drive the base machine reversely onto trailer slowly. During shaping the machine, lock the swing locking connecting rod. Place spacer blocks to hold both sides of tracks, and fasten the machine with wire ropes. Pull out the 4 track holding shafts. The machine is traveling and extending the tracks by pressing and holding button switch enabled button on backside of left handle and pressing down track extension button on control panel with your right hand. In this way, the machine stability could be enhanced. Notice, make sure the tracks are extended when the machine is in drawing, rigging, and de-rigging status. After extending the tracks, insert the 4 holding shafts back. Connect counterweight hoisting eye securely with sling and U-ring. Lift the counterweight to its mounting position. Fasten with bolts securely. Make the upper mast and the middle mast become a straight line. When connecting upper mast and middle mast, make sure that the harness could not be crushed and damaged. Connect the 2 flange faces together and fasten them with bolts. Lift the pulley yoke to the upper mast connecting position. Install shaft connecting pulley yoke and upper mast. Rotate the pulley yoke around the shaft. When rotating pulley yoke, make sure that the harness could not be crushed and damaged. There are 2 steps for installing bolts. First, tighten the bolts with 1/3 required tightening torque. Second, tighten the bolts with the required tightening torque. In the above 2 steps, the bolts should be installed in sequence. Lift the lower mast and the main winch around the middle mast. Make sure that the shaft hole of middle mast and that of lower mast are aligned. Install shaft and fix it securely. Fasten the connecting rod between lower mast and triangle with the shaft securely. Lift the rotary drive. Slide the rotary drive to the block position of lower mast. Set the cross sledge guide to the upright position. Then, connect hydraulic lines. Connect main winch motor port to its corresponding hose port and connect confluence hydraulic block port to its corresponding hose port to connect hydraulic lines. Note: before connecting or disconnecting hoses, use a container with sufficient capacity to hold the fluid to avoid environment pollution. Release pressure before connecting or disconnecting hoses to avoid high-pressure fluid injury. If the lines are connected wrongly, reverse action will be performed. Press and hold the button of mast adjusting lever and push mast adjusting lever forward to raise mast. Operate slowly. When flange face of middle mast and that of lower mast contact, stop the operation immediately, or components may be damaged. There are 2 steps for installing bolts. First, tighten the bolts with the 1/3 required tightening torque. Second, tighten the bolts with the required tightening torque. In the above 2 steps, the bolts should be installed in sequence. Push right operation handle forward to extend crowd cylinder. Align connecting hole of cylinder with that of rotary drive hinged seat. Connect them with shaft. Press and hold the button of mast adjusting lever and pull mast adjusting lever backward to lower the mast. Push the left operation handle forward to extend main winch wire rope. Remove the rope guard pin on large pulley. Rear wire rope through 2 large pulleys. Around its end reaches rotary drive. Fix the rope end with clip sleeves and a wire rope clip. Switch display interface to auxiliary winch mode. Push left operation handle forward and extend auxiliary winch wire rope. Remove the rope guard pin on small pulley. Install auxiliary winch limit switch counterweight. Rear wire rope through small pulley and auxiliary winch limit switch counterweight until its end reaches rotary drive. Fix the rope end with clip sleeves and wire rope clip. Remove 3 bolts. Align the swing bearing of caddy guide with the connecting part of caddy bar. Connect them with bolts. There are 2 steps for installing bolts. First, tighten the bolts with 1/3 required tightening torque. Second, tighten the bolts with the required tightening torque. In the above 2 steps, the bolts should be installed in sequence. Press and hold the mast adjusting lever, and push forward mast adjusting lever simultaneously to raise mast. Push forward the 2 traveling levers to make the machine move forward slowly. Operate mast adjusting lever to make mast incline by 3 degrees to 5 degrees. Align main winch clip sleeve with the connecting hole of rope swivel. Connect wire rope with rope swivel with shaft and secure it. Pull backward the left operation handle to make main winch raise calibar. In this process, the machine moves towards calibar. Adjust the mast adjusting lever to set the mast to upright position, and be sure to make the sliding strip of caddy guide contact the front face of mast. Align key of calibar with the corresponding key slot in rotary drive. Push left operation handle forward and lower calibar. Insert the calibar through the rotary drive. Raise mast and assemble drilling tools. Test run is needed before drilling operation. Check the movement of boom cylinder. Check the rotation of rotary drive. Check the movement of crowd cylinder. Check if the movement of the mast is normal. Check if auto vertical adjusting of the mast is normal. Check if wire rope retracting and extending by main winch is normal. Check if wire rope retracting and extending by auxiliary wrench is normal. Before short-term storage, follow the precautions below. 1. Drive the machine to solid and even ground. 2. Properly adjust position of various working components to make the center of gravity greatly close to the ground. After tilting the mast backward for 20 degrees, lower the drilling tools until it hits the ground. 3. Turn the ignition switch to off position and remove the key. Close the window and cab door. Thank you for purchasing a Sany machine. For any problem, please consult Sany After Sales Service Department. Quality changes the world.